Hello everyone and welcome to S3 Bubble. So in this video series we're going to go through the new hosted setups with S3 Bubble. Okay, so we're going to talk about what they are and just to avoid any confusion with our previous setups. Okay, so this is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial series on what we do with our new hosting setups. Okay, so if you come to the S3 Bubble homepage and then you scroll down, you can see we've got our instant WordPress OTT theme setups. Okay, so we go through a lot of jargon about what we actually offer. So if you come to the S3 Bubble website and you already have a WordPress theme, okay, you have your own WordPress theme, it's already set up, then you don't need to worry about the instant WordPress theme setups. The WordPress theme setups are something that we offer for people who don't want to set up the theme themselves. They want everything, and when I mean everything, managed and hosted and set up all by us. Okay, so if you've got your own theme but you still want to use the S3 Bubble functionality, you can go ahead and use the desktop app, you can go ahead and use the protected streaming, but you use our WordPress plugins for this, okay, and you install our WordPress plugins on your theme. Okay, I hope that makes sense. But if you don't have a theme, you don't have any hosting, you're starting completely from scratch and you want to get set up instantly with a fully fledged OTT service, then this is what we can offer. Okay, so if you log in to the S3 Bubble website, you'll see under hosting, and then if you go to instance and demos, you can create a free demo. Okay, so what's actually happening when you create a free demo is we are setting up an instance with a WordPress install on our hosting for you. Okay, we're hosting it for you on our hosting providers. Okay, and then we're setting up WordPress, but then we're also installing our theme, and our theme has been fully built with Elementor, Page Builder. It's set up for Roku, Fire TV, DRM, everything. The theme has been fully worked through to cater for all the OTT streaming needs that you will ever want. Okay, so what we're going to build in this tutorial is we're going to build out this website. Okay, so this is just one of our websites. We actually use our own setup to build our own media streaming websites, and we utilize it so we actually grow and build with you, and any complications that arise for us we also implement so that they will be then pushed across to all our users or customer setups. Okay, so we'll be building this website. Okay, now it's just a simple coding website. It's called sudo.tv, so you can go ahead and have a look at it. And what we'll be doing is we'll be setting up categories. Okay, you'll be able to come in and view all your categories. We're going to be able to edit and change the colors. We can pretty much with the page builder change anything on this website. Now this is our theme, not your themes. Okay, this is something that we host and manage, but you can go in and the videos will be run under DRM. Okay, every video is going to have BIF thumbnails. We're also going to have hovers here, so you can have BIF hovers, so you can see previews of the videos. Okay, we do 50% matched. We also do analytics within the themes. If we head over to the dashboard, we do full analytics all managed within the theme. Okay, so you can come in and see how many minutes you've had played in the last 24 hours. You can also go through to a monthly view. You can also download PDFs to list all your views. So if you wanted to have your analytical team take over with this, and you can obviously refresh. So we have analytics. We set up free SSL. Now SSL can be managed through Cloudflare or through Let's Encrypt. We offer both solutions. Now we set all this up for you, and you want to have SSL because you're going to be selling your media through this website. Okay, so you actually need to be monetizing your media, and if you want to monetize your media, most shopping carts require SSL. So we set all that up for you. We set up emails for you. We set up AWS uploads for you. Everything's managed through WooCommerce. Now WooCommerce is a WordPress plugin, okay, and we have it set up so it will do subscriptions. You can do one-off payments. You can also do downloads. So if someone views a video and then they want to download it afterwards, they can. Okay, now everything we have is set up and managed through the dashboard and through the theme. So this is what we'll be setting up. Okay, so just to note, just to go back over, instant WordPress setups is not for people who already have a theme and they already set up. If you want us to do everything and manage the hosting, the SSL, you want a theme that is fully set up for OTT. So these themes also handle app feeds. We have Roku, Fire TV, iTunes, RSS, and you could submit all these and they're all set up and pre-configured. So everything is just managed and you can just paste all these into your separate services. Okay, and we also have the API, and we will be doing mobile apps. And then one thing as well that we'll be using in our tutorial is our desktop app. So the desktop app allows us to just simply open up the desktop app, drag our videos into it. We'll then encode it, encrypt it, create BIF formats, everything that you need, and then upload it to AWS for streaming. And to note, you don't have to use AWS with this theme. You can simply paste in a URL from any CDN. There's no connection to there's no full connection to AWS. We suggest using it because it has a full sort of plethora of services that you can use for media streaming. But you can also use Vimeo, you can use YouTube, and you can still monetize your videos through those two options. So if this is something you want, stick with us through this video series, and hopefully we can go through everything step by step and get you set up, and you can see how powerful this setup is, and you can really start making money from your media.